Hello my people, welcome back to Critics News with more updates on as take the go. Let's go straight to the reason why we're here today. As they be now, they said that the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, which is Nnamdi Kanu, say in court case now, don't know, say they called him impromptu. In fact, they don't even waste time. They just wake up. I don't know waiting touch them on. So they come summon the man, saying go appear in court on the 10th of February 2025. That will be on Monday. Say making come I don't know waiting they want to follow the matter. Whether not to release him or to start the trial. Let's quickly take a look at what's going on. And if you come across this video, please don't forget to share it, like, and also subscribe. Nobody should be begging Nigerian government for my release because I committed no crime. Nnamdi Kanu, and they talk this one. He saying no do anything, no say make nobody begin go they meet the federal government of Nigeria, Tinubu and his cohort on his behalf, saying that he has not done anything. So therefore, there is no need for anybody to dey talk say abeg go make una leave Nnamdi Kanu for us. You understand? He say make nobody beg for him. Say that he will come out in due time. All right. Now, before that, we had this breaking detained IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu receives impromptu notice to appear before recused Justice Binta Nyako. Now, be this one now, what they tell on say he go be on the 10th of February 2025. That will be on Monday. It's already the weekend. So, now that one, the lawyers could go prepare. They say make it bring everything evidence when in get on top this matter or in defense. Now be that one. Let us quickly go into details. Fast. The detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB Nnamdi Kanu, has clarified that he did not send anybody to beg the Nigerian government for his release. This was stated in a release issued by the head of his legal team, Aloye Jimako Esquire, stating that Kanu's release is not a matter of mercy or pardon, but rather a matter of upholding the rule of law. Recall that Benjamin Kanu, the Deputy Speaker of the House of Representatives, recently appealed to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to tamper justice with mercy and give freedom to the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, from detention. Kanu had made the appeal after the inaugural meeting of the House of Representatives Committee on the Southeast Development Commission, SEDC, at the National Assembly Complex in Abuja. The Deputy Speaker had commended the President for his support and commitment towards peace, development, and stability of the Southeast region. He noted that President, since assuming office, had in various ways proven his love for the Southeast and Easterners through his speedy assent to the Southeast Development Commission bill, which failed in previous assemblies. However, Kanu's legal team clarified that the Federal High Court already declared his detention as unconstitutional and that international tribunal decisions had also deemed his detention as unlawful. Now, waiting Barrister Aloye Jimako they talk for here. Therefore, Kanu's release should be a straightforward matter of complying with the law. IPOB leader also stressed that he had committed no crime and that his detention was as a result of Nigerian government's attempt to criminalize his right of self-determination. So Nnamdi Kanu now is saying that he has the right to agitate, he has the right to call for self-determination for his people, not the one when Nigerian government go try to intimidate him, bully him into submission, bully him into silence. Say that one, the dictionary that he must fight to liberate his people. And waiting in the talk for there be that. His lawyer wrote, during my visitation with Onion Nnamdi Kanu yesterday, he made it abundantly clear that while he is deeply appreciative of the effort and the widespread calls being made by well-meaning individuals and groups to secure his release, he, however, instructed his legal team to issue the following clarifications. The matter of releasing Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is not an act of mercy or pardon. executive clemency, or even amnesty. Instead, it should be an act of simply complying with the subsisting federal high court judgment that declared his detention as unconstitutional, or even the extant international tribunal decisions that separately declared his detention as unlawful. Alternatively, the decision to free him from the detention and discontinue his infamous prosecution can be made by simply resorting to the constitutional provisions that empower the Attorney General of the Federation on the directives of the President to discontinue any prosecution. So he said, simple something, simple mass, but the Nigerian government is stressing the whole matter. Say the fee just called the Attorney General of the Federation, say, oh yeah, go release Nnamdi Kanu, just sign document, finish, basta, case closed. He said, but the Nigerian government doesn't want to do the right thing by releasing him. Second, Onyendumazi Nnamdi Kanu is adamant that nobody should plead or beg anybody on his behalf because he has committed no crime. Self-determination, which is the real issue that government twisted to suddenly become a high crime, is an inalienable right guaranteed under the laws of Nigeria, the United Nations, the United Kingdom, and Kenya. Thus, the perverse and unlawful criminalization of his exercise of this right should not unwittingly be encouraged through some misguided appeals for pardon, clemency, or mercy. Thus, releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not an act of mercy or pardon, but an act of abiding by the rule of law. Now, waiting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they talk for here. Say no be by grass, no be by me will beg, so that they go leave him. No. He say he no need a beg. Go. Say, since he has committed no crime, that he should also be set free without any disturbances. Now, waiting they talk there. So, you know how Nigeria be now. If you say the thing go come hard now, they don't want to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They see a problem there, but God will help us. So before this one, we didn't call him yesterday, that impromptu, we'll have to go there. I want to know why they called him and what he's going to be doing in court on Monday, which is the 10th of February. All right. So, but before we continue, let us listen to Akpabio.
Earlier stated yesterday, and I'll just read for the benefit of the leader of the Senate, because you have to follow the procedure thereafter. Distinguished Senate President Godswill Akpabio, GCON, requests for votes to terminate the appointments of the suspended resident electoral commissioners of Adamawa, Sokoto, and Abia states. Pursuant to Section 157, subsection 1 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, I hereby request the Senate to consider and vote for the termination of the appointments of suspended resident electoral commissioners of Adamawa, Sokoto, and Abia states. The Senate is invited to note that the 3 resident electoral commissioners have been suspended for misconduct since March 2022, before the advent of the current administration. While I trust that the Senate will consider this request expeditiously, please accept, distinguished senators and distinguished Senate President, the assurances of my highest consideration. Signed, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President, Commander-in-Chief, Federal Republic of Nigeria.
I believe so when I don't see the matter when they stop for there will not be smart, you know. This resident electoral commission person where they talk about, you sure say no be this man or this woman when bring what did they call her? We bring Governor Alex Oti to power. Will I say Tinubu won't remove them? One is Labour Party, LP. I think the other one is PDP. I think the other one is from another party entirely. So they know they touch anything APC now. Don't leave other parties. Now I'm doing a problem. No, God day. So before we go into that recusal of Binta Nyako, and now they want to also reappoint her to handle Mazi's case. May we go here first. Those of you who want send money, go Nigeria, beg, do. Don't forget to use tap send. Now the Ogbonge app when you go use, take the enjoy sending money to your loved ones. Now the good thing about it is that if you use my promo code there, they go summon you money on top that money where they send, go give your family. So now it be the good thing when they and those other subsequent bonuses we go still confront. You they see and so. So use my promo code today to get additional money on your money, and also download it from App Store and Google Play Store. There's no time to waste time. Now, moving away from there very quickly, we have this one where they say detained IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu receives impromptu notice to appear before accused Binta Nyako. So the thing now is that they don't want to remove Binta Nyako from Nnamdi Kanu's case. Nnamdi Kanu had requested that Binta Nyako must be removed from his case, and he wants to see another judge who will handle the matter. But the Nigerian government has said, lie, loriro, they will never do that. Because, what do you call it? Because, in fact, I know if he shout. Because federal government say lie, they not go remove him. So I wonder what is inside that place. They say na Binta Nyako, I know where about Nnamdi Kanu's case. So they cannot remove him. If they remove him, it may give Nnamdi Kanu the advantage now to win the federal government. So that is how we got on this loggerhead. Nobody they agree for each other. The detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, said he has received an impromptu notice from the Federal High Court to appear before the recused Justice Binta Nyako Motala of the High Court of the court. Kanu Special Counsel Barrister Aloy Ejimako made this known on Friday after the legal team and the IPOB leader's family concluded routine visitation to him. I'll be with him. Ejimako said our discussion centered on the surprising notice we received to appear in court with Nnamdi Kanu on Monday 10th February 2025. We shall appear with a bated breath. Kanu's legal team, led by Aloy Ejimako, had filed an application before the court for the transfer of the suit, Mark FSC/2015, from Abuja Division to Federal Court Division of Southeast States. In the application dated January 30th, 2025, filed pursuant to Order 49, Rule 3 of the Federal High Court Rules 2019 and Section 45 of the Federal High Court Act, Kanu's legal team said that the application was sequel to an order entered by Justice Nyako on September 24th, 2024, recusing himself from handling the case pursuant to an oral application made by Kanu in open court. So I don't know whether these lawyers are also going to find, do another counter move or counter motion against the federal government's move to make sure that it is Binta Nyako that is handling the case. You understand? So Nigeria, Nnamdi Kanu and his lawyers said that they are tired. They are not going to continue with that very woman again. They want a new person. So let's see what happens on Monday, whether they are going to bring a new person to, you understand, to come and be the judge to Nnamdi Kanu's case. According to the team, we are reliably informed that following the recusal, Justice Binta Nyako promptly sent the case file to your lordship for the purpose of reasoning it to reassigning it to another judge of the same Abuja Division of the Federal High Court. However, it came to pass that your lordship was unable to reassign the case to another judge of the Abuja Division because of none of the lordships in Abuja Division agreed to take the case, thus leading to the situation where your stupidity, wahala deal, what did I just say? My people, this court case, it go hard. you had. Anyways, let's just hope that this one where they don't reassign now to Murtala. And I don't know whether Nnamdi Kanu and his lawyers are going to, allow Binta Nyako to handle the case, because already they say that somebody who had recused herself from a case, cannot go back to that very case. But here, I don't know how it is going to be. So let's just watch out on Monday and see how, say this one came impromptu. So let's see. Probably they may ask him to go home that day, or the trial will continue. We don't know what's in the mind of the federal government. So we are just watching to see how it unfolds. Let me know your opinion in the comment section on this very matter, and let's see how it is going to be on that very day. So yeah, Ihaba solution they don't land do. Now ogbonge traditional medicine where they don't manufacture, come modernize them. It can be like tablet too. They can sell and go worldwide anywhere when you do. Contact them today. Care, may them bring your own. Come your doorstep. They have their branches nationwide, worldwide. It doesn't matter where you are. They will bring and come give you. So different ailment. I don't want to come here say, oh, I get this one for this 2025. And they never solve the problem. See the solution here, and I'm be them. I'll see you now for the next news. Please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and all that. God bless you.